Bougus and Noah Fedele, the love and support our school community has shown is incredible. The flowers, prayers, and cards delivered day after day to our high school following these tragedies by students and community members alike has convinced me that there is no single force greater than love. I have never seen so many people hugging strangers and comforting one another as when we as a school have felt loss.